In today's video, we talk about the two formulas which will help determine how big of a mortgage you're going to qualify. Whether or not that's affordable or not, that's a conversation for a different video, but here is the basis that's going to determine whether you're working with a mortgage professional in the bank or somebody in the broker channel. These are the two formulas they're going to use to help you determine how much of a mortgage you can qualify for. So, as mentioned in the intro, actually in this case it wasn't mentioned in the intro, I'm a mortgage agent for Mortgage Architects in the St. Thomas, London, Ontario area. And today I'm going to tell you the two formulas, very simple, for determining how much of a mortgage you can qualify for. So to get them off the bat right away, the two formulas, the first one is called the gross debt servicing ratio, or the GDS, which I like to think of kind of the housing ratio, and you'll see why in a second. And that second ratio is the total debt servicing ratio, or the TDS. And I'll be honest with you, I don't really have a cool name for it. So both formulas, I'll be honest with you, are very similar with one major difference, but I'll let you be the detective and figure out what that difference is. So let's start with that GDS, gross debt servicing ratio. The GDS is calculated very simply, okay? You've got the total of your mortgage payment, your property taxes, your heating costs, and if you're looking to buy a condo, it's 50% of the condo fees. So you add all those numbers together and you divide it by your gross household income. Okay, on insured mortgages, which are any mortgages where you're putting down less than 20%, this number cannot exceed 39%. The thing to know here is that your mortgage payment is not calculated at the rates you're seeing online. These are what's called the posted rates. Instead, your mortgage payment is calculated based on the stress test rates, which as of today you use either the greater of contract, or kind of the posted rate, plus 2% or 5.25%. So if you're kind of running this own calculation by yourself and you're running your payment, based on, let's say 2.45%, and you're using that payment to calculate your GDS, then you need to be calculating it actually at 5.25% as the basis for calculating your mortgage payment. And that's the number you're going to use kind of in the numerator there in order to calculate kind of that housing ratio, or the GDS. Now, the TDS, very similar, but there is one difference. It includes all the debt you have each month, hence total debt service ratio. So the TDS, again, it's the total of monthly payments, property taxes, heat, 50% of condo fees if you're looking to buy a condo, plus those monthly debt obligations, think credit card, student loan, car payments. Those are kind of some examples. You add all those up, and again, you're dividing it by the gross household income. So on insured mortgages, again, those are the ones where you're putting down less than 20%. This number cannot exceed 44%. Now, as I said at the top, these two ratios, they determine how much you can qualify for. Whether or not that's affordable for you, I'll be honest with you, that's kind of more of a personal finance question, but the one thing I will point out is these ratios ignore kind of some really common lifestyle things. For example, they do not include income tax. They do not include lifestyle expenses like groceries, childcare, internet, gas for your car, insurance for your car, and much more. Well, there's really no set formula for helping determine what is affordable for you. As I said, that's kind of more of a personal finance question. If you comment affordable below, I have no problem sending you the template that I send to all my clients for helping both determine what is your max qualifying price, or kind of your max pre-approval price, assuming all your information checks out, but also what is the max affordable price using kind of some generic percentages for kind of each housing category. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please smash the like button. Comment below if there's any questions you have. And if you like videos like this or you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to the channel. Consider sharing it with a friend. That would be greatly appreciated. And until next time, have a great day, guys.